friends and family. This is AKA Georgia Peach. I'm gonna just take you inside and show you what we've done so far. I painted the steps. I think I've told y'all that before. Now I've got some luxury vinyl plank flooring in here. I've got the beadboard up. I painted some of the walls. I'm going to put another coat on them. We've done a lot of cleaning, painted the cabinets, got some holidays that I need to touch up. Now they've got black knobs. This is the material that was on the couch and on the dinette set. I'm taking this stuff home and I'm recovering it. I'll show you what it's like afterwards. We are, I hate saying but anyhow, this is where we're at. I've still got all this flooring to do, but I think it's looking great. If you can remember, go back to the first video when I showed you what I had. This RV was sitting on this property that we bought. They didn't feel like taking it out of here. So, and it had some problems. It had a leak over here in this corner. Flooring was rotted. And I'm bringing it back to a point where we can at least use it as a guest house. Oh, and I found a dead mouse in here today. But that was good news because he couldn't get out and he starved to death. He looked like he was trying to eat wood. But I gave them all a chance to evacuate, to evict, and he didn't evict, and he got trapped. Okay, all right, thank you, and we'll update you later.